707. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's the power difference?
Man, I could full throttle it next time.
That wasn't full throttle? What's good, everybody? It's your boy Young, and we here for the rise yet again with something else, something I said I was not going to do, and yet I'm on my way to Max Exhaust right now to get it done. Guess things change. So that's pretty much what the goal is right now, man. We about to head up to Max Exhaust out in Manassas and get a little bit of work done. Something so this vroom 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 can sound like something more appealing. So I'll see you in a minute when we get there. We definitely on our way on this long road right here. Alright, y'all, so we at Max Custom Exhaust. Mopar Mac over here, Max Custom Exhaust, getting that mid muffler delete. We about to go take a ride in something I've actually never been in before. This beautiful Hellcat Charger right here. So we'll see you in a minute. I'm so excited right now. First time being in the Hellcat. Oh man. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's the power difference?
Man, I could full throttle it next time.
That wasn't full throttle? Oh my God.
Just hear it whine.
What size tires you got on the back?
305s.
Okay.
Yeah. Mickey Thompsons.
Okay. Everybody loves the Mickey Thompsons.
Does it feel different?
It feels different.
Really? Yeah.
Even when I shift down the first in mine, and I then gun it, and I got 315s in the back to kind of get it to grip better, still doesn't pull like that. Like my pull makes it kind of like sink a little bit in the seat.
Yeah.
Your pull is like neck snapping.
Supercharger is so loud, man, isn't it?
It is.
Hear that whine?
I love the way it sounds.
It's like quarter throttle in it.
Oh, this is fun. I'm not even driving. I'm just riding. This is fun. Now I see why everybody gets Hellcats. Y'all see this smile? This is a genuine smile right here. This is amazing. Troopers on your left. Thanks, man. Oh man. I might say forget the track hawk, get a pickup and get this now.
It's worth the trade, man, for sure. Cause like heads cams on a scat, you're gonna be at maybe you'll break 500, maybe. That's if you do Titec heads. But like you're never gonna come Hellcat close. You know?
That's true. I have to do something completely different with the scat pack to get close to Hellcat power. It's got to cost so much money, it just doesn't make sense if I wanted to go that route.
Like even if you supercharge, I think these guys get like 600 maybe, but you can't run over 6 pounds on them, you know?
Yep.
So the scat packs come with 309s. The Hellcats come with 262s.
Do you know why they come with 262s instead?
Just so they can hit the 200 mile.
Ah, but you want to get better pulls on it, which is why you switched over.
Yeah, man, it kills. So like a scat pack 0 to 60 is almost, in some ways, faster than a Hellcat, just because the gearing is so different. So I guess it pulls pretty hard. It don't feel any different to me now. I'm telling you, man. I'm not even trying to be funny. It just doesn't feel.
To be completely honest with you, because I have a 2016 R1S Yamaha motorcycle, and the way this was pulling. So now I'm not talking about me pulling in first gear, because then I'll just start wheeling. But the way you started pulling right over here, it was actually very comparable.
Yeah.
And that's how I could tell the difference pretty much between the scat pack, because when I went with a Hellcat before on the bike, and it was more of a roll. Once it started getting up to higher speeds, I had to actually get very serious, because I'm like, there's no way. Like the way it just keeps accelerating, going and going and going.
Insane. That's why I geared it. You know, so you can to have the street pulls as well.
I see why, man. That is cool. And you said you hand painted that too?
Yeah. Just with a brush. It looks okay, I guess.
Honestly, I thought you ordered it like that the way it came out.
No, it was all black. So I had these. These are custom. There's this one company that makes them. So I try to make everything all match. And then the back I got the identical ones.
Oh yeah, man.
The best part, man, my wife doesn't even know I traded the scat pack for it. She has no idea.
That's cool.
And I want to do some painting on the inside.
What you want to change on the inside?
On the interior, I want to have the supercharger powder coated red, I think.
Same ray that you got on the badges?
Everything. And then it'd be cool to get a red belt. Maybe do a pulley.
Oh, I see you got the catch can in there.
Yeah, gotta.
And JLT.
Yeah, I just put this on 2 days ago. Man, it makes the supercharger's way loud now.
I've noticed a lot of different people say they keep the Hellcat box on the bottom and then they go with the JLT air intake on the top.
Yeah, so far it's been good. I noticed when I put the rain plate on, man, it quiets it down a lot. They've got this clear plate that goes right here. But it's not nearly as loud then. Yeah, man.
Thank you, man. Out. First time riding the Hellcat ever.
All right, it's Mac with Max Custom Exhaust out here in Manassas, Virginia. We got Chad and we got Nick out here with unaffiliated Mopar out the DMV. We're gonna swap some parts today. Chad's got the scat pack. Don't tell the wife. And Nick's got a scat. And let's swap some parts around on these things. Let's do it.
I mean, it's exactly what you hear. That's what it's going to be.
I can't wait.
Normally it's like 15 now. Depending on where you cut it at.
And you're looking at, so those are.
So y'all saw what was on it before, with the stock mufflers and all that other type of stuff in it. I'm gonna get the rundown for everything that I'm gonna have done with it, or that I'm having done with it. The guy with the cat back, I mean the cat scat as we're calling it now, he's going, I think he said he's going back with his Flowmaster setup or whatever, because he likes the way it sounds. So he gave me his Dynomax bullets, and that's what I'm getting swapped into my car right now. So this is just perfect timing, man. And shout out to him for that, because that's awesome. And also from riding the Hellcat, I might literally just say, yeah, forget the Trackhawk, get a Hellcat, get a pickup, and just be done. I don't know. We'll see, man. Make sure I go to Max Custom Exhaust in Manassas. I'm gonna drop the address underneath and all that, man. Everybody in the club comes here, bro. If everybody comes here, even people outside the club come here. Like, look at all the other vehicles here and stuff, man. That lets you know right there, this man does great work. Cool dude too, man. For real, for real.
What's up, dude? What's up?
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. You need to make it sound more like a muscle car.
It sounded like it should have when it was new.
Facts. Definitely should have came out the factory sound like how I was about to sound.
Hey, that Avenger shit is badass.
Thank you.
Where'd you get that? Online?
Yeah, on Instagram, it's this guy called Day392. I ordered it from him.
Cool as fuck.
I wanted something to go with the theme of the front.
Oh yeah, okay.
Thanks, bro. I appreciate that.
Dude, did you see the tail light? It says Avengers across the deck. Lights up. It's badass.
Oh yeah, definitely. Actually, I'm about to watch it before I go to work.
Have fun.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'll see y'all next time. All right, bet. All right, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share, all that. And of course, man, gotta give a shout out to everybody here. Max Custom Exhaust did phenomenal work. Amazing. I appreciate it. Max Custom Exhaust in Manassas is off of Mathis Ave, Mathis Street. I'm gonna make sure I share the address with y'all. And of course, shout out to Mac himself. Make sure y'all go to Max Custom Exhaust YouTube channel. I'm also drop that below too. And make sure y'all subscribe to his channel, see all his work, everything he's pretty much done. It's been some great work here, y'all. So once again, man, I appreciate it all. And as always, we here for the rides, baby. Okay, y'all, so I actually forgot to say what I had done, but the guy with the cat pack, the 707 horsepower cat pack, he had actually gave me his Dynomax bullets, and all 4 of them, and that's what I actually ended up putting on my car. So I got 2 for the mids, and I got 2 for the mufflers or resignators, whatever you want to necessarily call it. But I forgot to update y'all on that and tell y'all what it was. I am not straight pipe because I do not want to lose that power, the back pressure, and stuff like that. So that's what was done for it. My fault. Enjoy the credits.
I am H.I.M. His Imperial Majesty, Benz driver, big time.